Hello everyone, welcome to Dream. Today we shall discuss about our tech programs. So as the name suggests, tech means coding, programming and technology related programs. So let us start with our first program. So first is the beginner coding program. So this is basically an entry level coding program for those people who have zero to almost negligible knowledge in computing, coding, or they do not have basically any idea into what coding and everything is, and they just want to have a beginner understanding of it. So basically in the beginner program we have 5 months which includes 36 classes. The classes will be live, hands-on, project building and quizzed. So it will cover the fundamental to computing. It will cover the bases like binary and all this hexadecimal and their conversion. There will be programming in C and Java. There will be basic data structures. I'll be just discussing about it a bit later. Career panel discussion, resume building activity, pass to visit the mega masterclass, one big project and 5 small project, and a certification of introduction to programming in C and Java. So basically the beginner program is taught in 2 languages. One is C and another is Java. C and Java. So in this course we will learn a lot of things in this. First we will start with the basic data structure, basic data structures, concepts like loops, conditional statements, relational operators, etc. Then we will learn about implementation of these concepts. Then we will build small projects. In the meantime, we will also learn about fundamental of computing, that is how computer works. How computer works, what are bases, how are they converted, and all the basic stuff. Like binary means 0 and 1, so it is base 2. Then we have decimals like 9 to 7. This is a decimal, suppose, so it's basis 10. So how can we convert, and what are bases, and what are the origin of bases, how computer works, a little bit introduction to that, how processing systems work. And then we will, after learning all these things together, then we will learn about how to build projects, big project, how to build big projects, how to build big projects. So then we will learn about how to build big projects, and then basically we will proceed to the big project. And after your big project is completed, we will have your certification examination. So this is so this is the basic syllabus of beginner program. Okay, so now let us move on to the intermediate coding program. Just let me switch this to laser point. So it includes everything in beginner, that is everything that has been covered in the beginner program. It has a total 6 months duration, that is 45 classes. You will also learn introduction to algorithms, complexity analysis, trending technologies, Python programming, concept of OOP, career scope analysis. In addition to all the benefits that you had in the beginner coding program, one more thing, in beginner coding program you have career panel discussion and resume building. So these are self-explanatory, does not need much of explanation. So here also you have intermediate level career scope analysis, and rest of the things are this are the additional things, and rest are, from the beginner are carried over here. The difference in project is that here you have 2 big projects and 10 small projects. There you had 1 big project and 5 small projects. Here you have 2 big projects and 10 small projects. Here you will be having 3 certification, 1 beginner tier certification and 2 intermediate tier certification. So let me explain about this a bit. So apart from the beginner thing, we will learn about complexity analysis. Complexity analysis, BIGO, omega, theta, complexity analysis in the measure of space and time. We will learn about algorithms and flowcharts. We will also learn about Python, its basic operations, data structures, and also we have covered up the algorithm, the complexity, the Python programming. So we will also learn about OOP, that is object oriented programming, and its implementations such as polymorphism, inheritance, etc. So concept of OOP is covered. Then we will also learn about printing technologies, that include AI, Web3, AR, VR. Then we have the advanced career scope discussion, and then you have 2 big project and 10 small project. So you have this 2 big project and small projects, 10 small projects. And then this being done, you have this 3 certification. So the first one, the beginner tier, then you have Python programming certification, introduction to Python programming, and BSA in C/Java certification. These 2 certification along with the beginner level certification that we are doing. This thing makes up your intermediate tier. So who is intermediate for? Intermediate is for anybody, even for the beginners, but who want to study up to the intermediate level. They want to study in depth, who want to study in depth of the topics and want to learn more and want to take their career further into technology for serious career in tech. So this is all about your intermediate coding program. Next we have the tech specialization program. So as the name suggests, specialization. That means you will be learning the professional things, the professional things. What does professional means? Means skills that makes money, through which you can earn. These are the specializations. So in the tech specialization program, it includes everything in the previous tier, that the beginner, intermediate tier, everything it includes from the previous tiers. It is a 12-month program. So the 6 months is of your previous tiers and the next 6 months is of the advanced specializations. So you can choose any specialization from web development, app development, artificial intelligence and machine learning, competitive coding. You will also learn introduction to cloud and DevOps. You will also learn about prompt engineering and application of AI tools. You will also know about effective freelancing. You will also get basic academic doubt resolution. Suppose if you are in your school or college, you will get the basic fundamental doubt resolution from your academic subjects, which is worth 6,000 rupees. It will be absolutely free in this specialization plan. And you will also get hackathons and internship support. So let me break it down further for the tech specialization plan. And before jumping further, let me first say who is it is for. It is for anyone. It is for anyone who want to have a professional career in tech, who want to be having a professional career in tech. Examples are like you want to be engineer, programmer, etc. Basically you want to have a professional career in tech, so it is for them. So it can be attended by anyone, because we will start everything from beginner, then we will move on to intermediate, and then we will start with the specialization. Then we will move on to specialization. Sorry for the lack of space. So this plan has 12 months duration, as you all know. So it has 12 months duration. It will be split into 6 months. Here you will learn about all the core fundamental stuff. Here you will learn about all your advanced specialization stuff. So as said, you will learn about the specialization. Advanced specialization will include several fields like web development, app development, AI, ML, competitive programming or competitive coding. So it will include all this, and also it will include DevOps, that is cloud and DevOps. So web development will include everything from the basics of web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then web development in MERN stack. In app you will learn about Kotlin, then the Android development, Android app dev. You will then learn about Flutter and cross-platform. In AI/ML you will learn about the libraries, the AI/ML processes like OpenCV, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow. Different models, statistics and algebras. In CP you will learn about advanced DSA and stuffs. In cloud you will learn about the cloud optimization, Google Cloud platforms, Amazon Web Services, and some other popular platforms. and Linux Ubuntu server administration. Linux Ubuntu server. So we covered this point and this point. Then we will learn about prompt engineering and AI tools. So basically prompt engineering means the way to get the desired result from AI. So you suppose I want to have a website, the AI create a website which is dynamic and responsive. That means it fits in phone as well as PC. Cloud background, suppose we want to have clouds in background. So this exact prompt, how to enter this exact kind of prompt to get our work done is called prompt engineering. We will learn about prompt engineering and several other AI tools. Then we also have effective freelancing, how to do freelancing effectively, build portfolios, build effective portfolios, and get the attention of the people so that you can get more paid project. It also includes this basic academic doubt resolution, nothing to say more about it. And also you get hackathon and support. We will help you out with whatever hackathons is happening in the contemporary times. Hackathons, and you will also get intensive support in case you want to go for it. Apart from this, you also have basically 5 certifications here. The 3 that we already discussed, and the other 2 certification, one being your specialization, certification, and other being your DevOps certification. So you have 5 certification total in this advanced course, and basically here you will be having 10 big projects and about 50 small projects. So you have 5 certification and 10 big projects. Let me mention here. And you also get 5 certifications. So that was all from my side. Hope to see you inside the class pretty soon. Stay inspired, stay motivated.